Good day once again, Mangga Andrian. This morning, another topic that I am going to discuss is writing linear equation ax plus by equals c, or the standard form, into y equals mx plus b, or the slope-intercept form, and vice versa. Okay, we know that the standard form is ax plus by equals c. How to get the slope? M equals negative a over b. You've learned that one, right, in our last topic. Slope intercept form naman y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. Okay, example number 1. Write the equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. Determine the slope and the y-intercept. Given negative 30x plus y equals 7. What you're going to do now is to transfer negative 30x to the other side, so it becomes y equals 30x plus 7. So that is now your slope-intercept form. Your goal, class, is dapat y na lang maiwan sa left side. Alright? So, that's the slope, 30, y-intercept, 7. Another example, 20x minus 10y equals 30. Transfer 20x to the right side, so it becomes negative 10y equals negative 20x, kasi pag matransfer siya, naging negative na siya, plus 30. Your goal is dapat y na lang maiwan on the left side. So you have to divide it, and negative 10 both sides. So negative 10y divided by negative 10, you have y equals negative 20 divided negative 10, 2x. Negative divide negative, positive ha. 30 divide negative 10, minus 3. So that's it. Y equals 2x minus 3, and your slope is 2. Your y-intercept is negative 3. Alright, another example, 5x plus 3/4 y equals 8. So you know that you have to transfer 5x to the other side, so it becomes negative 5x plus 8. So we have to get rid of that 3/4. Multiply 4/3 both sides. So 4/3 times 3/4, y na lang. Ngayon, 4/3 times negative 5x, so we have negative 20 over 3x plus 8 times 4, 32 over 3. So our final answer is y equals negative 20 over 3x plus 32 over 3. And our slope is negative 20 over 3. Our y-intercept is 32 over 3. Done with this, negative 2x minus 2y, 2 over 5y equals 8. So transfer negative 2x to the other side, so it becomes negative 2 over 5y equals 2x plus 8. Okay, di ba our goal is dapat maging y na lang sa left side. So what are we going to do? Multiply both sides by negative 5 over 2. So maiwan y na lang. 2 times negative 5 over 2, negative 5x. 8 times negative 5 over 2, negative 20. Di ba 8 times 5, 40. Divide to 20. So m is negative 5, b is negative 20. Yun. Next. So this time, we will rewrite the equation into standard form kasi ang given naka-slope intercept form. Ano yung standard? Ax plus by equals c. And you have to remember, class, that x should always be positive. Again ha, x should always be positive at dapat walang fraction sa tatlo. So what are we going to do? So transfer negative x to the other side, the left side. So it becomes x plus y equals 4. That's it. That's your answer. That's the standard form. Yan ha, dapat positive always si x at dapat walang fraction. Y equals 5x. So again, lipat si 5x sa kabilang side. Negative 5x plus y equals 0. Kasi wala mang number dyan. So 0 dapat ang ilagay mo. So again, bawal man negative si x. Multiply negative 1. Both sides to get rid of the negative in x. So the answer is Negative 1 times negative 5x, 5x. Negative 1 times y, negative y equals 0. Another example. 2y equals negative 1/4 x minus 8. Transfer negative 1/4 x to the other side, it becomes 1/4 x plus y equals negative 8. Di ba sabi ko kanina, bawal fraction. So how are we going to get rid of 1/4? Multiply 4 both sides. Right? So 4 times 1/4 x, x na lang. 4 times 2y, 8y na. Negative 8 times 4, negative 32. So that is now your answer. Example for this one, y equals 2/3 x plus 5. So you know that we'll transfer 2/3 x to the other side, so we'll have negative 2/3 x plus y equals 5. Again, bawal negative si x, bawal fraction. So anong gagawin natin? Multiply negative 3 both sides, negative 3 times negative 2/3. So we have positive 2x na lang. Negative 3 times y, negative 3y. 5 times negative 3, negative 15. So that is now your final answer. 2x minus 3y equals negative 15. Ayun. Thank you and God bless everyone.